Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm in the port of Santa Cruz, La Palma. This is my last stop before I get back to Tenerife for my journey back to England. So today again I'm out with the FujiFilm x100vi, nice camera for street photography, and I'm just going to see what sort of photos we can get today. Again, I'm on about 6.4 f6.4. I've put the shutter speed on 400th per second at the moment and auto ISO. The sun's not totally out yet, but it's in and out with clouds. So I'm just going to wander along this very rocky and stony beach along the seafront and then into the town. So I'm just going to get this shot because I really like the darkness of the rocks rather than sand, and we've got nice sort of moody clouds here. So I'm put this on S rather than continuous, and then get the guy in the top 2/3. It, so we've got the dark at the bottom. That's given us an ISO of 125. I'm just doing a few test shots, or warm-up shots as I like to call them. We'll have one going back this way. I've got the curve of the sea going round, leading your eyes through to the ship that I've just come off of. Again, I'm just going to lift it up so that you've got the rule of thirds being used here. And again, just see how that's come out. Yeah, happy with that. The sea front sort of just leads your eye round to the ships over in the right hand third, so quite happy with that. Now we're just going to have a walk along the front and see what else we can do. I'll put this back to continuous. That helps the focus if I'm walking along and moving. It just keeps the focus on the subject. Using the tree as a bit of a frame. Use this walkway as a leading line. I'm trying to get the sky in the top 2/3 and the sea in the bottom third with that walkway just slightly diagonal to the right. I'm quite happy with that. Now look at this handrail on the right here. I'm just going to get a shot through this so I can use it as a bit of a frame. I think that's going to work out okay. Yeah, I'm happy with that one. Let's get these people on the right here, just as we're going along. You've got the wall as a leading line with the shadow, which is quite nice. Oh, we'll get this chap over on the right. Got him in on the right hand third of the photo, so I'm trying to use the rule of thirds here. Now here I'm going to use this plant as a bit of a frame, which I'm happy with, and then the sky in the third at the top. A sculpture up ahead, which I think I'm going to see if I can get a shot of that, but let's get a shot of this chap first. Look, playing ball. There we go, there's one. Let's just get one with him throwing the ball at the basket. There we go, happy with that one. It's always important to try and keep your horizon level. Right, back to this sculpture. This looks good. Let's see what we can do here. I'm going to get a bit of a look up. So I've got the sky. There's the sculpture and the sky very similar in colours there. Happy with that one, but let's get one looking down now. That's it. We've got the shadows of the sun coming through. Quite like that. get these couple of people. I'll get one down this walkway again. See what we can do with this. This time we've got the sky in the top third. Alright, there's a big couple of people just walking past. I want to try and get them walking in unison and in step, which I'm happy with. Again, the main thing is get that horizon straight. Let's just get this lady. Just a quick shot there. Quite like the scene out here. Let's just get this man first. Yeah, that's a good one. Like that. Let's just get this scene. I really like this. We get this one in landscape. Yep, I'm really happy with that. Sky in the top third. Just works out lovely. Now this building over on the left here. Let's just turn around and have a look. I just love the colours here. But we'll put it into black and white just to see what that looks like. See the difference, hopefully. Shadows. I love the triangle here. We've got a nice leading line. Let's just get these people up the end here. Yep, I like that one. Photo of a lady taking a photo. Oh, chap with a hat. You've got to take this photo. Oh, I love this alleyway. Just wait for some people to walk past. It's a nice leading line, the two walls taking you to the end. So hopefully that one's come out okay. Oh, similar here. I just need to wait for the subject to walk. There we go, here's somebody. That's a good one. Oh, I just love this bike with all the flowers on it. Just got to get a shot of it. Oh, there's a chap walking down here, and I just love the colours over on the right. I'm just going to get him coming into this. Hopefully that one's worked out okay. Now there's a chap over on the right on this balcony. I just want to move forward a bit and see if I can get him. Let's do that. Yep, that's okay. Chap on the left, got to get him. Chap with a hat, got to get him. Something about people with hats. Now this fence, can I do some framing? Let's take a few here. Bit of a play around, happy with all of those, hopefully. Oh, I like this shop over here, different. Let's get somebody underneath that word. Just got to wait for the right person to come through. Oh, this chap looks like he's starting to move. Let's just wait. Hopefully nobody goes in front of me. Oh, is he going to move? Yes, yes. Got him. Try one more. That's better. Oh, I've got to get something in this shadow. Look at the light and the shadow here. Oh, got a nice one there. Let's see if we can get another one. This chap will do. Really like that. Oh, we'll get this statue. Just as a record, really. Steps, I love steps. Look at the shadow. Oh, I've got to try and get one here. That's good, I've got people just in that bit of light, which is nice. Just get one up the road. That's okay. This is very colourful. Let's get this chap. Sort of old building, modern shop. Very nice. Right, set of steps. Got to get something here. I'm just going to lean against this wall. Now there's a chap coming down. I just want him to move into that pocket of light and get him just as he's coming out of it. Just don't change sides. Here he comes. That will do me. I love those sort of shots. Don't really like that one. Just took the bike. Let's get this lady. Got the plants on the left, lady on the right. That's okay. Oh, I've got back to this light and shadows. Similar, same place actually. Just like the scene. Oh, let's get this lady. Okay, this was the fence that I was taking some earlier, but let's just get some through this gap. Just got to wait for some subjects. It's a nice light here. That will do, nice light and shadow. Oh, here we go, another walkway going up, leading your eye through. I'm taking a few here, but let's get this couple coming down. That's it, just coming out of the light into the shadow, which is quite nice. Man with a beard. Just going to get one going down the street, I think, here. Nice, lots of colour. Just people. Let's give you a bit of an atmosphere. Oh, here's this bike. I'm just going to get a close-up of it. Something about this bike that keeps get me to take photos. Oh my word, look at the lady on the left here, just in that light with the shadows and a handrail as the leading line. I've just got to get to the side. Hopefully I've got that one. You would have seen it by now. Oh, another little alleyway leading your eye right to the end. I've just got to take this one. I just love these sort of shots. Anyway, we're nearly at the end here. If you enjoyed the video, please give me the thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell so that you don't miss future videos. And I look forward to seeing you on the next trip.